Big surprise here as the nation gets ready to enter flu season. An FDA panel has issued a new recommendation on a popular cold medicine.
Garrett Tenney is downtown with today's Health Watch.
Wild because I take cold medicine all the time, and when I get sick, and it really helps me get better.
According to the FDA, it actually may not be doing anything. An FDA advisory panel ruling Tuesday the popular over-the-counter decongestion phenylephrine is no better than a dummy pill. The drug is the key ingredient in dozens of cold and allergy medications, but recent scientific studies show it's actually ineffective in tablet form.
Why did it take all these years if it's not working, you know? It seems kind of crazy, huh?
Researchers with the University of Florida originally petitioned the FDA to take the drug off shelves in 2007 based on similar findings. The FDA, however, allowed its sale to continue pending additional research.
When they have studied it, they found that when you take a pill of 10 milligrams or more, it doesn't get up to your nose. It doesn't get there because it goes out in the liver or in the gut.
The FDA will now decide if medications with PE should be taken off store shelves, which account for more than $1 billion last year in sales for oral decongestant drug makers.
Did you feel like it helped you feel less congested?
Well, you know, who knows?
News of the ruling has many asking, what should you take if you have the sniffles? If you do need to relieve congestion, there is another option. Pseudoephedrine, more commonly known as Sudafed, which is available behind the counter.
That has actually been shown to decrease congestion in individuals.
It's important to note this FDA recommendation does not apply to PE-based nasal sprays and drops. In Chicago, I'm Garrett Tenney, Fox 32 Chicago.